Today I am going to explain how to make DIY incense aroma cone easily at home. Let's see the ingredients needed to make. Cardamom, dry flower, benzoin resin, sandalwood powder, ghee, rose water. First, grind the dry ingredients together. Next, pour the finely ground powder into a bowl. Then, add some rose water and ghee to the powder and knead it. Prepare the kneaded mixture in cone shape. Finally, arrange the cones on a plate and